Eto, sinabi niya na si Trigib Olaybar prevented him from disclosing details on the 52 billion to Secretary Bonoan. Ayaw pa sabi raw, Mr. President. Tapos, sinabihan siya ni Yusek Trigib Olaybar na si Secretary Bonoan asked Executive Secretary Bersamin several times, sino ba magpapacilitate itong 52 billion? Of course, isasama sa BICAM, paano ito re-release? Sino magpapacilitate? Ang sagot ni ES Bersamin sa kanya, we will take care of it. Sila na raw ang bahala kung paano ayusin yung 52 billion. Now, I'm not defending the President, Mr. President, but you know, in fairness to him, yung list of projects, yung 100 billion, initially naka-FLR lahat yun eh. Pinapatrack ko ngayon sa aking staff kung ilan yung na-release out of the items on FLR or PISARO for issuance of SARO. Hindi pa namin alam. But initially,